In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently assign tasks in HubSpot sequences and ensure your sales and marketing workflows are seamlessly integrated. HubSpot sequences is a powerful tool that lets you automate your outreach efforts by sending a series of personalized emails and tasks to nurture your leads. One of the key features is the ability to assign tasks to specific users at particular steps in the sequence. This helps streamline your workflow and keep your team on the same page. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of this feature. First, to get started with creating or editing sequences, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot account and go to the Sales section. From there, you'll find Sequences. This is where you can either create a new sequence from scratch or choose from a range of pre-made templates that HubSpot offers for your convenience. Once you're in there, give your sequence a meaningful name, something that clearly indicates its purpose, and start building it by adding the necessary steps that align with your goals. Next, let's talk about adding task steps. This is a crucial part of the process if you want to make sure specific tasks are on someone's radar. You'll find a plus icon which allows you to add a new step within your sequence. Click on it and then select the task option. Here you can give your task a clear and descriptive name and add any important details. After that, it's time to assign the task. You can choose a specific user from your team or assign it to a task queue if you prefer to distribute responsibilities among several team members. The drop-down menu will guide you in making this selection. Setting a due date is equally important, so make sure to add that and any other pertinent information to help guide task completion. When you're satisfied, you can continue editing and embellishing your sequence by adding more steps as needed to fulfill your objectives. Once a contact reaches a task step in the sequence, the assigned user or the person managing the task queue will receive a notification. This is their cue to complete the task, which allows the sequence to continue for that contact. However, if the task is skipped or not completed, the contact may become unenrolled or need to be re-enrolled in the sequence, depending on the specific settings you've established. This is why it's crucial to configure your sequences thoughtfully and understand the implications of task completion on the sequence's progression. Consideration of task queues is important for organizing tasks better and assigning them to appropriate individuals or teams. Notifications are also vital, so ensure everyone on your team has enabled these reminders in their HubSpot settings. Reviewing sequence settings will give you a clear picture of how task completion affects everything. By following these steps, you can effectively manage task assignments within HubSpot sequences and optimize your sales and marketing workflows.